Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung TV. Just two reasons you might want to do this. So one, if your TV is giving you issues and you want to try fixing it. And the other reason, if you're done using it and want to sell it. Alright, so this is pretty simple. First, just press the home button. Find settings or all settings. Just go down to general or general and privacy. And scroll down. Press on reset. Just keep in mind, this is going to remove any accounts you have on it, plus delete any apps you downloaded. Now for the pin, if you've not made one, it's just 4 zeros. If you forgot to pin like I have, I'll put a video in the top right. Press reset. This will take a few minutes. And yeah, we're back on the setup.
Hello.
Thanks for watching guys, hope this helped out.